Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all had a lovely week. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. It does mean a lot. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below. So in today's video this week, I'm going to be unboxing with you and also trying on and reviewing these hair extensions from Foxy Locks. Foxy Locks is a UK-based hair extension company that does rummy human hair, which was a big thing for me because with synthetic hair extensions, you can't wash them and you can't really restyle them. I did have another pair from Foxy Locks that I used for my wedding. They were really good. They lasted me for about 2 years because I did use them for my bachelorette and also for some engagement photos. I don't wear them every day. I just wear them mostly for special occasions or photos. I'm not the type of person to be using them every single day, and that's why I like clip-in extensions. I don't want anything in my head that I can't get out. Also, they are not as pricey as getting weft hair extensions and like the ones that are in your head that you have to like replace. I was blonde, if you didn't know, and I got the Latte Blonde in the Seamless Superior 22 inch. So I wore those for my engagement photos, and that's the color that they look like in the photos. So if you're wanting Latte Blonde, that's the color they look like. For my wedding, I did a toner. I didn't do a toner. My hairdresser did a toner on them, so it did tone down. You get 230 grams for the Seamless Superior. This time I ended up going with the Elegant range because with the Superior, to be honest, I didn't use all the hair that it came with. As well, it felt quite heavy in my head wearing that much hair. I decided to get a new pair to match my hair as close as I could. I decided I don't want to keep like toning them and dyeing them as well because those ones were 2 years old. I always find it hard matching your hair color. I went onto their Instagram and looked at photos that girls tag themselves in, trying to find a color that matched my hair color as close as I could. I did message them on their Instagram and they were super quick at responding. I just sent them a photo for them to kind of guess what color you are. I thought I would be a chocolate or a mochaccino. I told them that and they told me I should probably go with the chocolate. So that's the one that I ended up buying. I got the Seamless Elegant 20-inch chocolate. The Elegant range gives you 160 gram real human hair. This retails for £150. I did use a code that I found on someone's YouTube video. It was Lucy10. It gave me 10% off. I'm not too sure who Lucy is or where that code has come from, but I've seen it on someone's YouTube video and it actually worked. What I like a lot about Foxy Locks is that they give you this little compartment here to try out the color in your hair to see if it matches. With a lot of extensions, as soon as you open the packaging, you're unable to take it back, and it is so hard to guess from the box if that will match your hair color. You're able to use this little piece in here to see if it will blend with your hair. There's like a seal on here to make sure that no one's opened it. Once you do break this seal on here, they are yours to keep and you will not be able to return it. So make sure when you've got this piece in your hair, you are super certain that you want to keep these. In the package, it includes one 8-inch wide with 4 clips, 2 6-inch wide with 3 clips, 2 4-inch wide with 2 clips, and 2 2-inch wide with 1 clip. So there is quite a lot of hair even though it is like the lowest range. So this is what the color looks like at the moment. So it is quite, don't know, my hair looks a bit lighter, but I think if I blend it underneath, it might match a bit better. Right. So I've got the tester piece in. As you can kind of see here, my hair is a bit more golden and this is a bit more rich. I think I'm gonna keep them. Once this is blended throughout my hair, you won't be able to notice the difference. They are quite long. It's going down below my boob, which is what I wanted. The hair itself is so soft and so shiny. If you think this is your hair color, then you are chocolate. I have broken the seal now, so I will show you what comes in it. You get a bunch of hair in this little package. Very attractive. And then you also get 2 extra clips in case the ones on your hair extensions break off. It is a little bit off-putting to know it is someone's real human hair, but you like get over it because it's just so nice. When I first got it, it did freak me out. I was like, ooh. Real human hair, but it's worth it. You can see the invisible seamless clip-in part. It's really nice. Like, it's not thick, so once you put it into your hair, you're not going to see it like bulging out. There's a lot of hair for the most lowest range that they sell. I think this is going to be enough hair for my head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them into my head now as best as I can. I'm not a professional at putting clip-ins in, like I just try my best. Just put the first bottom piece in, as you can see. So that one was the one with the 4 clip. I do is just like put your hair up like that and then just like clip them in wherever you think is best. Right now it's gonna look a bit weird because my hair is curled and these aren't. I'm just gonna open the clips that it comes with, mind my nails because I haven't had a manicure in ages because of lockdown. And then I'll put some on this side. Honestly, I am just guessing how to put them in. So if you are like me, a beginner, then you can put them in. Easy peasy. You honestly just work bottom to top. So start with like the biggest piece at the bottom near the back and then work your way up like in layers. You don't want them all to be on the same like plane or else you're gonna just see like just a big chunk of hair in one spot. So that so far is all of them in except the ones that are just like the single piece, and I think that looks really thick right now and long, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna style it so I don't look like a crazy woman with curled and then straight hair. I will come back to you and show you what it looks like. Right. I now remember why I got another pair of these, because look at this. I'm feeling it, and the blend is just so beautiful, and look how long they are. Try to like get up and show you, but oh yeah, I'm wearing sweatpants because you know it's lockdown and all that, but oh my god, look at this. Even though the extensions were a bit more like red tone and a little bit darker than mine, when you have all of them in, they literally blend so nicely. And look at the ends, like they don't look straggly and gross. I cannot recommend them enough, and this is not sponsored whatsoever. I just love their clip-in extensions so much. Their customer service is so good. I ordered these on a Thursday and I got them on a Monday and it was free shipping. Let me know if you want to see a video as to how I curled them and styled them. It literally just makes me feel like a brand new woman. All this hair, like this is the lowest package you could get, and that's so much hair. If you are debating whether to get them, just buy them because look at them. I hope you enjoyed my video and this has helped you out whether you were looking to get hair extensions and what kind you should get. Also the coloring, the length, all of it. If you have any questions for me, just let me know. Put them down in the comments below and I will help you out. If you enjoyed this, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. Have a lovely week and I will see you next Sunday. Bye!